Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll be doing an unboxing, testing and a review of this Einhell 18V cordless combi drill. So here is the Einhell 18V combi drill model TE-CD18LIBL. This is a brushless combi drill with hammer function. It has 60 Newton meters of torque. 3 functions, so drill drive and hammer modes, electronic speed control on the trigger, and 2 speed gears, number 1 and number 2, and it runs on the power exchange 1-for-all 18V battery range that Einhell does. So now let's open up the box and take a look what's inside. So with this one, in the box there's a box inside it, and that has the handle that screws onto the drill and the belt clip inside. Then you have the drill. And the instruction manual. So first things first, let's get the belt clip on. That has a bolt that goes through the belt clip and connects either side depending on if you're right or left handed, and it connects down into a metal thread, which is nice. Should be nice and secure, really easy to fit with a Phillips screwdriver, and that's on now, nice and secure. And it's got a nice brushed metal. The belt clip, it's not shiny, it's kind of brushed and dull. And then we've got the handle that you can screw on again either side of the drill, and this is good for using with the hammer mode, or if you've got some real large bits in your drill, say if you're using a spade bit to drill a big hole through some wood and you need some extra purchase on the drill, because there's quite a lot of torque in this drill, it's quite powerful, then you can screw this on either side. So whenever you get a drill that has a handle, it's an indication that it's quite a powerful drill. So you can get a good handle on the drill now when you're drilling into wood or brick, to prevent that twisting action and damaging your wrist, and that feels really secure and nice. So now let's just go through all the features this drill has. As I say, it's got this nice handle on the side to get extra grip. I'll just remove that for now, as I don't need that at the moment. Feels really well made and solid as well. So at the top of the drill you've got speed settings 1 and 2. A really solid positive click. It's really stiff because it's new. That should wear in nicely. So you've got 2 different speed settings. So for the lower down grunt, if you want to use the maximum amount of torque, I think you need to use setting number 1. And then for speed, drilling lots of holes, you'll put it on setting 2. And then at the top here you've got the drill mode, the drive mode and the hammer mode, and that can be selected with this twisting knob here. And then you've got torque settings from 1 up to 19 or just past that, plenty of torque settings anyway. The chuck is a 13mm keyless chuck, and it's all metal, so an all metal keyless chuck. Nice quality chuck, and this has a brushless motor, so it should be energy efficient, no brushes to change, less to go wrong, so it should last longer than a brushed version. It's got a nice chunky handle on it, and then it's got the neutral, forward and reverse triggers here. So forward, lock it in neutral and then reverse. And it's got the speed settings built into the trigger. If you listen now, five or six different levels of speed there, so you've got good control with the trigger. And it has a work light, as you can see down the bottom here, and the belt clip. Now I'll just try to show you how well the chuck at the end lines up. I can feel that you can get a nice crank down on the clutch there, on the chuck. That's good, so you can get the bit nice and tight, and they marry up nice and tight as well. So now I'm going to weigh the drill. This is quite a robust drill. It's a powerful drill, so I expect it to be over 1 kilo in weight. So the weight I have on here is 1,367 grams, so it's under 1.4 kilos according to my scale. Okay, so that's about it then for this video. So first impressions of this drill. I've been using it for a while now and I think it's excellent. It's got plenty of power. I like it having the 2 speeds, and with it being brushless, it's powerful and efficient, and it has good battery life too. I haven't had any problems with the battery. And you've got the 3 modes, the drill, the drive and the hammer mode, which is very useful. Hammer mode works well in standard brick. General DIY works just great, and the handle helps too, just to keep it all nice and steady, and especially if you're drilling into wood with a wide bit, just helps you to have that steadiness so that the drill doesn't sort of twist. The chuck is very good. It's an all metal 13mm chuck, and it cranks down, as you can hear, really nice and tight, and I haven't had a bit slip once with this chuck, so it's got good grip as well. So a very good chuck. Very nice powerful drill. It's got a nice chunky comfortable handle on it. The work light is a bit weak, but apart from that it's very difficult to fault this drill. I found it an excellent combi drill so far. So if you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos, and as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.